flying canines captured through the lens of KUSI All Sports photojournalist Joe Healy. Well, the boat show opened in his dock for world champions and amateurs alike. Amateurs like this black lab aptly named Jet, who goes 4 feet 10 inches on his very first jump in his career.
He's extremely fearless. He's 3 years old, and he's sort of, as I said, he's the king of Fiesta Island. And if there's a ball around, he's on it. He's quite the athlete.
When you see him jumping here, they're chasing that toy. And that's just really it. There's no really special training for this. They just love to jump. Our dogs go crazy here.
Rudy's done that before.